Just 4 out of 17 armored vehicles dispatched to the front line in Donetsk escaped the kamikaze drone onslaught. Video shared online shows how Ukraine's impressive assault drones ruthlessly blitz Putin's troops and tanks as they try to escape. Tanks can be seen rolling down a road in Kursk, Donetsk, as Ukrainian army snipers pinpoint and explode them with precision drone strikes. Other footage shows Russian soldiers trying to escape in the nearby village of Kostyantinivka as Ukrainian fighter pilots eliminate them. Russia has been desperately trying to regain the upper hand in Ukraine after Zelensky's forces pushed through into enemy territory on August 6th. Some hundreds of kilometers away from Donetsk and Kursk, Kyiv launched an assault across the border from the Sumy region. Ukraine's drone campaign has tirelessly chipped away at Putin's forces and kit for some 2.5 years. It has successfully held back enemy forces, obliterated vital oil stores and military supplies, blown up key bridges, destroyed naval ships and aircraft, and cut down infantry. Just days ago, more footage showed them destroying a Russian truck and bunker with detonation cords painted in classic Ukrainian blue and yellow. Kyiv claims to control 100 settlements in Kursk and more than 1,000 square kilometers of enemy soil. It is also attempting a second surge into Russia in the Belgorod region. Kyiv's forces are attacking border checkpoints as Putin's soldiers desperately fight back to defend their soil, reports say. Belgorod Governor Vyacheslav Gladkov has said the Ukrainians are trying to break through the border. Hundreds of Russian prisoners of war have also been captured in the daring operation. The Sun's defense editor Jerome Starkey joined Ukrainian troops in Kursk on Thursday, speaking to Russian citizens who had no idea of the true cost of war until the conflict came crashing home. As of Tuesday, the monitoring website Oryx, which uses video or still imagery as evidence, said that Russia had lost 3,336 tanks since the start of the war. Of these, 2,283 were destroyed. Oryx's tallies of AFVs and artillery system losses were 1,522 and 1,220, respectively, although it said that the amount of equipment destroyed is significantly higher, given the standard of proof it requires. It comes amid concern about Russian advances in the Pokrovsk sector, as fierce fighting near the Donetsk town continues, according to the Institute for the Study of War, ISW, a US-based think tank. The capture of Pokrovsk would be a major boost for Moscow because of its status as a key logistics hub, while questions remain over the objectives of Ukraine's incursion into Russia's Kursk region that started earlier this month. Crowdsourced monitoring website Deep State has said that Russian troops have been advancing toward Pokrovsk during the Kursk operation, and residents of the town have been urged to evacuate. However, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said in a press conference Tuesday that Russian troops had been advancing more quickly in the Pokrovsk sector before the Kursk operation started, and their gains had been slower, the Kyiv Independent reported. Zelensky also said that Ukraine's Air Force used newly arrived F-16 jets to try to defend against Russia's mass missile and drone attack on 15 regions the previous day, one of the largest launched by Moscow during the war. The Ukrainian president also said that next month he would present US President Joe Biden, Vice President Kamala Harris, and former President Donald Trump with a plan for victory. The Institute for the Study of War, a US-based think tank, said in its latest analysis of the conflict in Ukraine on Thursday that fighting continued north of Kharkiv City, near Lipsy and Hlibok, and northeast of Kharkiv City and Vovchansk. But there were no confirmed changes to the front line. The spokesperson of a Ukrainian brigade operating in the Kharkiv direction stated that Russian forces operating in this direction are conducting assaults without armored vehicle support, the ISW said. Russia is also focusing its efforts in Ukraine's eastern Donetsk region and is pushing toward the city of Pokrovsk. The Kremlin has been pushing for the total capture of the Donetsk and Luhansk regions, which together comprise the Donbass since Russia's initial invasion of eastern Ukraine in 2014. Pokrovsk is a key logistical hub for Ukrainian forces in the area. The ISW said Moscow is pursuing two immediate tactical efforts as part of an ongoing push operation to seize the city. The Russian military command likely views both of these tactical efforts as desired prerequisites for launching an intensified offensive effort against Pokrovsk itself, the think tank said. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said on Friday morning that Russian forces attacked Pokrovsk 58 times over the past day.